Welcome to the game-changing e-learning course that's revolutionizing planning in heavy industry, the Planner's Introduction to RAMP. Whether you're a routine maintenance planner, major maintenance expert, or a commissioning specialist, this course is your ticket to mastering the universal language of planning excellence. At the heart of our course is the Reliability Asset Management Program, or RAMP. This powerhouse model is your key to unlocking unparalleled efficiency and value in your planning role. Get ready to master the RAMP model from a planner's perspective, craft high-impact, high-level estimates, harness the power of centralized planning, navigate the major maintenance planning process like a pro, and much more. But here's the secret sauce. Our course isn't just about theory. We're talking real-world, time-tested best practices refined through years of experience in heavy industry and construction planning. Remember, following industry standard work processes isn't just a good idea. It's your ticket to becoming an indispensable planner. These aren't just guidelines, they're your roadmap to excellence. Ready to dive in? We're kicking things off with an interactive scenario that'll immerse you in RAMP's best practices. It's time to turn theory into action. Don't just plan, master the art of planning with RAMP. Begin your RAMP journey now, and let's transform your planning skills together.